Hi friends, so friends, here in this video we're going to tell you the number system. So this is class 1. We are going to complete all the number system within the 7 classes, guys. Okay, so if you like this video, hit like button, and guys, if you want any future notifications, so please hit the notification bell icon and also hit the subscribe button. Okay, and if you have any doubts, ask me in the comment section. And we have also provided our WhatsApp group invitation link in the description. So if you want to join in our WhatsApp group, so simply join by just clicking on that link. So that link was not for chatting, just for sharing some information like job information, and also for the government job alerts, and also for this type of notifications. Okay, so here this is the first question. Let us start this number system without wasting any time. Okay, so this is the first question: which of the following fraction is the smallest? So you have to see which of the following fraction is the smallest. Here you are saying 4 fractions, obviously. So 9 by 13 is the first fraction, 17 by 26, 28 by 29, 33 by 52. So these are the 4 fractions. Okay, so out of these 4 fractions, you have to see which one of the following fraction is the smallest. So which is the smallest fraction? So we can't tell you, because by just seeing this you can't tell you the smallest fraction. We have to convert this into some other form. So there was 2 ways of solving this type of questions. So the first way is you have to divide, guys. Okay, so you have to convert these decimals into, this fractional form into the decimal points, decimal forms, guys. Okay, you have to convert these fractional forms into decimal forms by just dividing this. So that was the first option. So after converting all these fractional forms into the decimal forms, you have to check the smallest among the 4 and you have to tick your answer. And that was the first step, the first procedure. And the second procedure is you have to convert all the forms into one form, like so 33 by 52. I'm just converting the denomination as 52 for all the 4 options. If you convert this denomination into 52 for all the 4 options, then it will be easier to you to check the smallest number. Okay, so first of all, the first option, the first one is 9 by 13. So this is the third one, 9 by 13. So for the 9 by 13, I'm going to convert this 9 by 13 as 36 by 52, because I'm going to convert as 52 for all the 4 options. Okay, so I'm going to multiply and divide with 4 for the 9 by 13. Okay, after multiplying and dividing by 4 for the 9 by 13, then the answer is 36 by 52. So there was no problem for dividing and multiplying with the 4 for the 9 by 13, because if I cancel this 4, then it will be a 9 by 13 as it was in previous way. Okay, so there was no problem for this, for dividing and multiplying with 4 for the 9 by 13. So after dividing and multiplying with the 4 for the 9 by 13, the answer going to be 36 by 52. So we have converted this. Okay, and so 33 by 52 and 36 by 52, so these 2 are same. And next one, here we have converted 9 by 13 as 36 by 52. Okay, and in case of this 17 by 26, so divide and multiply with 2 for the 17 by 26. So you can get, so 17 into 2 is 34 and 26 into 2 is 52. So why we are going to do this is, as I said you previously, our aim is to make all the denominations as 52. Okay, so more than 52 or 52. Okay, so we have converted 17 by 26 as 34 by 52. Okay, so the denominations are same, 52, 36 by 52 for 9 by 13, and 34 by 52 for 17 by 26, and 33 by 52 same as the given in the option. Okay, and 33 by 52 is 33 by 52. Okay, here the option. And among these, so 28 by 29, so this is the 4th option. So let us convert this 4th option. So 28 by 29 by dividing and multiplying with 2. Okay, so for the 28 by 29, we have divided and multiplied with the 2. So after dividing and multiplying for the 28 by 29, so we are getting 56 by 58. Okay, so 56 by 58. So check the denominations first. So first, so this is 52 and option 2 17 by 26 is denomination 52, and option 3 9 by 13 denomination is 52, and option 4 28 by 29, so denomination is 58. Okay, so option 4 denomination is 58, so this is absolutely a wrong answer because 58 is more than 52. So we want smallest number. If they ask you to find the greatest number, then you has to write you has to take this as a correct answer, but this is wrong answer because in the question they given which one of the following is the smallest. Okay, so this is wrong answer, and we have 3 options, so all options have denominations 52. So check the upper number. So first this is 36 and 34 and 33. Out of these 3, 33 is the smallest number, so 33 by 52 is the smallest number among the 4 options. So 33 by 52, option 1 is the correct answer. Okay, so this is the question, and if you have any doubts, ask me in the comment section. Okay, and the next one is the smallest number of 5 digits exactly divisible by 476. Okay, so here you have to divide the question with 2 statements, guys. Okay, so the first statement is the smallest number of 5 digits. That means the number should be the smallest. Okay, the number should be the smallest of 5 digits. So smallest of 5 digits is 10,000 is the smallest 5 digit number. So option that means statement 1 is correct for this. And the next statement they given is, and it should be exactly divisible by 476. So the smallest number should be exactly divisible by 476. So as I said you, the smallest 4 digit number, smallest 5 digit number 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, smallest 5 digit number is 10,000, and the smallest 5 digit number should exactly divisible by 476. Okay, so this should be exactly divisible by 476. Is it exactly divisible by 476? No, it's not exactly dividing with 476, guys. Okay, so I will tell you the exact divisibility rules. First of all, for example, if I given you 22 and if I ask you to divide with the 2, then you will divide 2 ones are, so 2 11s are 22, so 11 is the correct answer. So this is an exact divisibility. Okay, so or else if I given you 23 and if I ask you to divide the 23 with the 2, so you can't divide exactly, guys. Okay, you can get some points or something else. So this was called as non-exact divisibility. So this is not an exact divisibility, so this was called as an exact divisibility. Okay, so in the same way he was asking, it should be an exact divisibility. If I divide all the options with 476, it should be exactly divisible with these 4 options, and it should be the smallest number. Okay, so in this case you can also check by dividing each and every option with 476, and you can also check the exact divisible number. Okay, so option 2 is not an correct answer. First I am going to tell you an elimination method. So option 2 is not an correct answer because this is the smallest number, right? This is the smallest 5 digit number, it's right, but it's not exactly divisible by 476. So that's the reason it's not an correct option. And option 1, it can easily exactly divisible by 476. 476 hundreds are 47600, but it's not the smallest number. Okay, it's not the smallest 5 digit number among these 4. It's the largest 5 digit number among these 4. So this is also not the correct answer. And here there was an huge competition for these 3 and 4 options. Okay, so you have to check which option is correct among these 3 and 4. Okay, so if you want to check, you can check by eliminating method like this, or else there's also a small method. So this is a small simple method. Okay, so what is the smallest 5 digit number? So 10,000 is the smallest 5 digit number. So this is the 10,000 is smallest 5 digit number. Okay, and you have to divide this smallest 5 digit number with the 476, then you can get so 476 21s are 9,996. Okay, so if you add 4, then it will become 10,000, right? But it's not becoming 10,000, so you are aware of 4. Okay, so that's the reason So take 4 here. So there was a remainder of 4. So take this 4 from the 496. Then it will be correct exact divisible number. Okay. So required number is 10,000 plus 476 minus 4. So he was taking minus 4 from the 476 because 4 was extra here. After dividing with 476, so 476 21 so 9,996 and 4 remaining here. So we want to take the remaining 4. Okay, so 4 was remainder, so we want to take this remainder. So that's the reason we have taken 4 from the 476. Okay, in order to make an exact divisibility. So here 10,000 plus 472 10472. So this was the correct answer option. So 10472. Okay, so this is the correct option. And there is also another process, like as I said you before. So you have to divide with 476 and you have to check here. Okay, you have to check manually and also check by elimination method. Okay, and the next one. So this is the next question. The least number among 4 by 9, root over 9 by 49, 0.45 and 0.8 whole square. So you have to check which of the following is the smallest number. Okay, so we have already explained you the smallest number to find the smallest number, but that was in a simple way, guys. But the form is not in a simple way. One was in a simpler way, and another number which was filled with the square roots, and another number which was a decimal form, and it was also in a form of square. So these forms are not in a correct order. We have to make all this as a correct forms. Okay, correct order forms. So 4 by 9, leave this 4 by 9 as a 4 by 9, so don't change this. And root over 9 by 49, so change this 9 by 49. Okay, simplify this. 3 3 is a 9, and so 3 square 9. Okay, so 3 square 9, 7 square 49. So square and root will be cancelled, so 3 by 7 remains, and 3 by 7, convert this 3 by 7 as decimals by just dividing 3 with the 7. Okay, so after dividing 3 with the 7, you can get the decimal as 0.43. Okay, so root over 9 by 49 is 0.43. Okay, also convert this 4 by 9 as a decimal number. So after converting this 4 by 9 decimal number, so you can get 0.4. Okay, and the next option 3, so 0.45. so no need to convert as a decimal form because this was already in a decimal form. Okay, and here 0.8 square means what is meant by 8 square, so 8 8s are 64, so 0.64. Okay, so check which of the following number is the smallest. Option 2 is the smallest number, so 0.4364454. So option 2, 0.43 is the correct answer. So this was the smallest number among the 4. Okay, and the next one, which of the following number is the greatest of all? Okay, as I said you previously, the smallest number. Okay, but that was not in a correct order. So this is also same. This was not in the correct order, but this form is different than others because they given the bars here. So 0.9, 0.9 bar, 0.09 bar, 0.09 bar. Okay, so the forms are different, guys. Okay, so this was bit difficulty to the candidates who have not studied about the bars. Okay, but the candidates who studied about the bars, it was so easy for them. Okay, so first of all, let us find the greatest number here. So this is the simple, guys. So 0.9, there were so here for the first option they didn't given any bar, so right as usually, so 0.9 means 9 by 10. Okay, and here in the second option they given 0.9 bar. In case they given 0.9 bar, I will tell you a simple thing. So this is in the form of 0.x bar, so convert this as p by q. If they given as 0.x bar, then simply you have to write x by 9. Okay, so what is x here? So x is, so this is x. Okay, so x is 9, that means 9 by 9. So 9 ones are 9 ones are, so 1. So 0.9 bar is nothing but 1. Okay, so as you see, so 0.9 bar, 9 by 9 is 1. And the third option, 0.09 bar, So here this was in the form of 0.x y bar. So the bar is only on y. Okay, so if the bar is only on the y, then you have to write xy minus x by 90. Okay, so xy minus x by 90. So here what is x? So x is 0 and what is 9? 9 is y. Okay, x is 0 and y is 9. Okay, x is 0, y is 9, minus what is x? 0. Okay, by 90. So this is a small formula, you have to remember this formula, guys. So 09 minus 0 by 90 is 9 by 90. So that means 1 by 10. Okay, as you see in the option, so 1 by 10. So 0.9 means nothing but 1 by 10. And here last option 0.09 bar. If so, here you can see the bar is on the both of the numbers. 0.09, the bar is on both 0 number and 9 number. Okay, so in case if they given like this, then simply have to write 0.xy bar. So this is in the form of 0.xy bar. Okay, so convert this as p by q form. Like, so if they given as 0.xy bar means you have to write xy by 99. Okay, so what is x here? So x is 0 and what is y? Y is 9. Okay, so x is 0 and y is 9. So 9 by 99, so 9 ones are 9 and 9 11s are 99. So 1 by 11 is the correct answer for the option 3. Okay, sorry, for the option 4. So option 4, 0.09 bar 1 by 11. So let us check the smallest among these 4. Okay, sorry, let us check the greatest of all. So 0.9 is 9 by 10 and 0.9 bar is 1 and 0.09 bar is 1 by 10 and 0.09 bar is 1 by 11. So option 0.9 bar 1 is the correct answer because 1 is the greatest among these. Okay, so 0.9 bar means option 2. Okay, option 2 is the correct answer. And the next one, if a number is as much as greater than 31 and it is less than 75, then the number is. Suppose they have given, so in the question they have given a number, so they're asking that this number is greater than 31 and it is less than 75. Okay, simply this number, we have considered this number as x, so this number is greater than 35 and this number is lesser than 75. That means this number is in between from 31 to 75. We have to find the number. Okay, so in order to do such kind of problems, so first of all, the number is greater than 31, so we have considered x as a number, so this number is greater than 31. Okay, so here x is greater than 31, that means x is positive, guys. Okay, so x is positive plus x minus 31 is equals to, and here the number is less than 75 and this number is less than 75. So the number is lesser than 75, so we have to make this number as negative. Okay, minus x is equals to plus 75 minus x. Okay, so simplify by sending this x here and sending this 31 to this side. So 2x is equals to 75 plus 31, 106. Okay, so 106 by 2, so send this 2 here, so 106 by 2 is 53. So x is equals to 53. Option 4 is the correct answer.